Muturire wa Cheryl Gatumi wikiritwo gaturumo thutha wa miaka 3 tu thutha wake kuragwo na njira itigite aciari yake na ikari ya itura ria Iria-ini Mukothima kaunti-ini ya Tharaka Nithi na Kimako. Andu a family na arata macemanitie kugeria kumiriria family ino, nyina wa mwana uyu akiremwo ona kwaria akigeria gwetha anja ya kiria kirahanikire mwana wake na gitumi giake kwanangwo na njira iria aroragirwo nayo.
The circumstances surrounding the death of my child is alarming because the state of how we found our lifeless body is also rising, putting across so many questions that need to be answered.
It's still not clear what happened to her, but what we can confirm is that from the remains of her body, the lower limbs were missing and one arm was also missing. We also confirmed that her head was shaved and she had a fracture in the head.
Mwana uyu orire tariki 27 mweri muhituku, family yake ikimwetha utuko na muthenya na kuhura ripoti kuri maafitha a borithi, no mwihoko wa kumuona wathirire thiku 5 thutha ucio riria mwiri wake wonekire.
The toilet over here, she trying to search to see whether she could be inside there. Our daughter just knew 2 home since. The landlady's home and my neighbor crossed the other side of the road.
It just doesn't make sense what is happening in this country. Who could do this to a 3-year-old, just 3-year-old girl? You know, it's just so sad.
Uthuthuria wa mwiri wonanitie Cheryl akuire ni undu wa kwaga riera, no aciari yake marenda kihoto gikinyanirio ona ihenya, ona gutwika ni mambiririe kugia na nganja na maafitha a ugitiri.
My heart is full of hope. I know justice will be served for my child, and for the sake of Mukothima residents, because now people are fearful. No one will let his or her own child to go on alone on the road during the day or in the night.
The response from the government and the authority feels painfully slow. The family demands swift justice and serious government action to protect our children before many lives are lost.
How many more lives, how many more children must we lose before the police do their job? Every other day, young girls are losing their lives, and the perpetrators, the killers, are walking scot-free.
Ateteri a ihoto cia umundu kuma gikundi kia Voko Africa ni macakaite kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia njuragano makienda ugitiri ugacirithio na aria morirwo ni endwa ao mone kihoto. Gukinyiria riu gutire mundu uri uraikio ngono akigiritanio na giko giki. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.